Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how I make Yapper founder ads that absolutely rip inside of the ad account. First and foremost, for those that don't know me, I run this jewelry brand here. We sell personalized pet-themed jewelry to dog owners. My name's Alex. And yeah, I kind of just make this content to pass along trial and error to you guys. So founder Yapper content is one of my favorites to scale. We're going to take a look at two different examples here. Pretty much it's very similar to what it sounds like. It's the founder that's yapping at the camera. Let's go ahead and watch this one here to get a little bit of a better idea. This one we've scaled already for two different Valentine's Day periods, and then I'll show you one that's for Mother's Day that we're currently spending on and seeing good performance from.
If your girl has a dog, you're going to want to hear this. Valentine's Day is coming up fast, and what better gift to give her than a necklace engraved with a picture of her best friend? It's extremely easy. You just upload a picture of her pet, you select her favorite metal finish, and we'll send it directly to your door in a box of your choice that makes a nice premium gifting experience. Also, check these out. These are limited edition just for Valentine's Day. Make a truly unforgettable gift.
So that's one example of one that we did for Valentine's Day. You can see super raw founder just talking to a camera with a good hook. There's both a visual hook going on here as well as an audible hook that's going on. And then the text is also a hook. So kind of a good sequence that ties into just an organic piece of content of the founder talking about the product being the perfect gift for somebody who has a girl. That's what it is, right? Let's take a look at this one here and just kind of for some social proof on the spend side and performance side. This is one of our testing campaigns for this month of April. And you can see pretty much by far this creative here and this ad set here is yielding the best return on ad spend and best performance, right? $27 CACs compared to some that are in, the 100 pluses, right? So if we open this up and take a look at this creative, you're going to notice few things that are similar, and then we're going to talk about them and talk about how you can approach this. I'll also share you guys the exact kind of CapCut editing style that I use to create this one here. So if you stick around, you'll get that value as well.
If your mom has a dog, this is the best Mother's Day gift that money can buy. It's a necklace with her dog's face engraved on it. You can buy two and get one free today. Just look at these reactions.
No.
I got us matching ones.
Oh, thank you.
And I wanna kiss you, make you feel alright.
Try me, don't be a brat. Don't be a brat. You don't need to be in on this one.
Cool. So the similarities that you're going to notice is obviously at the beginning, the founder aspect of it, but also listen to the copy.
If your mom has a dog, this is the best.
If your mom has a dog, and then I jump into the sentence, what is this one?
If your girl has a dog.
If your girl has a dog. Okay, taking a minute, pause on the founder ad aspect. Any creatives that you're building, if you have something that works, understand why did it work and test those variables with different visual styles of content. So what you just saw me do in this example is we took this ad, ripped it for us, right? I took the aspect of if X persona has a dog, you're going to want to see this, or, yada, yada, yada. That ended up working really well for me speaking to my demographic. So I'm using that aspect now in a completely different ad that's visually different, etc., but still using that winning variable. So I talk a lot about winning variables, and I think I don't show enough like good examples of what they look like. That's a good example of what a winning variable would look like. So what else is going on in this ad creative here that's currently working? Well, we have also this copy at the top that's saying this is your sign to get mom a pet face necklace. This copy here, this type of this is your sign copy, is another variable that has historically worked inside of our ad creative that I'm utilizing here. This hook that you're visually looking at here of this girl reacting is another variable that we've seen good performance from and are testing, mixing that with this variable and with the hook voiceover variable, if you will. So again, intentionally crafted. That's what I wanted you to kind of pass along. As you're approaching creative, don't just throw shit together. Think about it. think about what has worked in the past, what can I fundamentally learn from that, write it down, and then try to use some of these puzzle pieces, if you will, in the new stuff that you're creating in new diverse manners, right? So this is like a green screened founder based piece of hook copy, right? And then it changes after this to just like the different reactions that builds up social proof, right? So let me just kind of tie in for these founder pieces. Winning, you want to have winning showcase sequences that tie to the narrative. So whatever, if you're the founder, right, and you're talking about your brand, your product, whether you're doing it in a raw way, like the first one that you saw, where I'm just on like a, my phone, and then I flip the camera and then I'm showing them the product, whatever it may be, what you're passing along as the narrative of the creative needs to match visually, especially with a good hook. If you can hook people within the first few seconds, they're much more likely going to stay and continue to watch. Okay, so that's one super important aspect. You can do it in the green screen manner that you saw in this creative here, which let me make.
If your mom has,
yeah, so let me just play this hook part again.
if your mom has a dog, this is the best Mother's Day gift that money can buy. It's a necklace with her dog's face engraved on it. You can buy 2 and get 1 free today. Just look at these reactions.
Yeah, so this is a great example of very quick and fast one. If you go, I want to make a big note here. If you go more in depth on who you are, why does your company exist? What's the mission and like drive behind it? You're going to build more loyalty. And if you play the small business angles, it's one of my favorite to play because there's a lot of people that genuinely want to support small businesses and buy from a real person, not just a massive corporation, right? So lean into it, give story, give authenticity, it'll perform better for you. Now, I do want to take a second here to go through kind of the editing of this. It's very simple, and I'm not going to take too long on it. And then I want to touch on how to test these and what good metrics look like that you should be looking for. So in terms of the actual editing of this, you're going to see I just have this background sequence that's playing. That's, again, a winning background sequence that we know has worked in the past. And then I'm just having myself here green screen. I just used here the remove background auto removal on CapCut and position myself in the corner, threw in the text overlay. I used the system prompt bold and the TikTok native black outline. Then we had this shot here that was shown. I just wanted to emphasize a close-up of somebody wearing it, close-up of 2 pendants. We obviously have the music at the bottom that repeats twice because it was yoinked from TikTok and wasn't long enough. And then obviously we have the different reactions that kind of play in here with some text overlay to kind of add it all together. Obviously, you need to have a good call to action. You can see this one saying personalize the best Mother's Day gift today, linked below. Most people don't even know where to click, right? So you got to tell them. You can also mention offer more. I mentioned it kind of at the beginning of this piece. So super simple. For actually getting this tested, go to ecom.live and then in the search bar, just type Meta ABO testing strategy for Mother's Day. I have a completely free piece of content that you can watch that showed exactly the launching of that ad creative, literally the one that we just looked at before it actually got the performance that it got. So that's gonna have you set with that. Now, I want to tie a little bit on what are good metrics that you should be looking for when analyzing your creative. So I would say the main metrics, you obviously needs to make sense, is it making money? Like that's the main metric, right? So if you're getting a CAC that's underneath what your targets are, or sorry, better than what your targets are, then you're making money. For us, if we're getting anywhere underneath the $40 CAC, we're chilling. We're at 27 here. This creative is giving a positive signal on just the return side. Now, if you're not getting purchases from it and you're wondering, should I be keeping this? Should I not be keeping it? I want to argue CPC, cost per unique link click, is kind of the next best indicator of, is this even heading in the right direction? If it's sitting at $3.50 clicks, or $7.21 clicks, likely needs to get killed. And if it's sitting at, sub $2, then likely that's something that has a little bit more potential. Also, hook rate does matter, but it doesn't it's not the only metric that matters. I think I talked a lot about it in the past. Ideally, you want to be sitting at a 25% plus. This year is only at a 16, but yet at a 16, it still generated, 1,300 in revenue so far in the, small amount of time it's been testing for. Cool. That's what I wanted to pass along. Last thing that I wanted to mention is this is the final call for anybody who wants to work one-on-one with me for Q2. There's 2 spots left. This is just directly working with myself on anything ecom related. If you would like to apply for one of those spots, you can head over to the pricing page. With that said, you guys have a good rest of your Thursday. Hopefully this is beneficial. Peace.